I want to write a formula that will calculate the raise for each employee. I'll type equal, I'll point to cell E2, I'll multiply that by the value at cell B1, and when I hit enter, I get the correct raise, and now I'll copy this down. But notice the rest of the employees are not very happy. Well, the reason is when I copied the formula down, Excel assumed I'd want the row references adjusted as well. So the formula at cell F3 is taking the current salary from E3, which is correct, but multiplying it by cell B2, which is nothing. Now I'll rewrite the formula. I'll type an equal sign, then I'll point to cell E2. I'll multiply it by cell B1, and this time I'll press F4, which turns it into an absolute reference, so it will always refer to cell B1. So now when I copy this formula down, I get the correct raise for each employee.